Urgent appeal regarding the unlawful detention, ill treatment, and partial repatriation of 20 Cambodian soldiers by Thai military armed forces. Excellency, the Kingdom of Cambodia is a peace-loving nation with a long history of resilience, having endured decades of conflict and striving tirelessly to secure lasting peace, stability, and regional harmony. In the spirit of mutual respect and peaceful coexistence, Cambodia has fully adhered to the recent ceasefire agreement with the Kingdom of Thailand, reaffirming its commitment to finding and building peace through dialogue and cooperation. Cambodia highly values the efforts of the international community and expresses its profound appreciation for the joint press release issued by the governments of Malaysia, Cambodia, and Thailand, following the special meeting chaired, hosted, and witnessed by Prime Minister Dato Sri Anwar Ibrahim in Putrajaya, Malaysia. Under the significant initiative of President Donald J. Trump, this important initiative, attended by Cambodia's Prime Minister Samdech Mahabubor Hun Manet, Thailand's acting Prime Minister Phumtham Vichayachai, and co-organized by the United States of America with the active participation of the People's Republic of China, demonstrate a shared resolve to pursue a peaceful resolution to the ongoing situation through diplomatic means, international law, and regional solidarity. The Cambodian Human Rights Committee (CHRC) urgently brings to your esteemed attention a deeply disturbing and unlawful act committed by the Royal Thai Armed Forces in gross violation of international humanitarian law, human rights laws, and universal accepted principles of justice and human dignity. Following a mutually agreed upon ceasefire between Cambodia and Thailand in the recent armed hostility near the Previer Temple and adjacent border region, Thai military forces unlawfully detained 20 healthy and fully capable Cambodian soldiers under false pretense. This act occurred after the ceasefire was in effect and thus constitute a grave breach of trust and of international law governing armed conflict. On 1st August 2025, the Thai military returned only 2 of the 20 Cambodian soldiers. Tragically, both returned soldiers were found to be in severely deteriorated physical and mental condition. One has sustained physical disability, the other is suffering from severe psychological trauma and mental disorder, presumed to be a result of inhumane and degrading treatment while in captivity. These facts strongly indicate a serious violation regarding captured Cambodian soldiers, their rights, and pattern of torture, ill treatment, and denial of medical care and communication, all of which are in direct violation of multiple international legal instruments, including but not limited to legal framework violated. 1. Geneva Convention 1949, in particular, the Third Geneva Convention related to the treatment of prisoners of war. Article 13, humane treatment without adverse distinction. Article 17, prohibition of torture and coercion. Article 118, repatriation without delay after cessation of active hostilities. 2. Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR. Article 3, right to life, liberty, and security of person. Article 5, freedom from torture and cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment. Article 9, freedom from arbitrary detention. Article 10, right to a fair and public hearing. 3. International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, ICCPR. Article 6, right to live. Article 7, freedom from torture and cruel, inhumane, or degrading treatment. Article 9, right to liberty and security, protection from arbitrary arrest or detention. Article 14, right to a fair trial and legal recourse. Article 10, 1. All persons deprived of liberty shall be treated with humanity. 4. International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights, ICESCR. Article 11, right to an adequate standard of living, including food and clothing. Article 12, right to physical and mental health. 5. Convention against torture and other cruel, inhumane, or degrading treatment or punishment, CAT. 6. Convention for the Protection of All Persons from Enforced Disappearance, CED. Our immediate demands and requests: 1. Immediate and unconditional release and repatriation of the remaining 18 Cambodian soldiers in Thai custody. 2. Independent and impartial investigation by the United States or relevant international bodies into the unlawful capture after ceasefire, the torture, injury, or neglect inflicted on the 2 repatriated Cambodian soldiers. 3. Medical assistance, rehabilitation, and psychological support for all victims. 4. Accountability measures against the perpetrator in accordance with international law. 5. UN special procedures, including the special rapporteurs on torture, arbitrary detention, and enforced disappearances, to urgently intervene and conduct country visit and fact-finding mission as necessary. 6. OHCHR's urgent communication with the government of Thailand calling for full compliance with its obligation under IHL and IHRL.